Hello, all beloved students. Welcome back. And how are you today? Okay, teacher believes that you guys fine, right? And teacher too. Okay, so today we are going to continue our lesson, which is about Modals 2. So what have we learned so far from the previous video, everyone? Okay, we learned about should, shouldn't, should not, must, and must to, and have to and don't have to, and must and have to for a strong possibility also. Okay, good job, everyone. So you have to start with this. Teacher would like you to spend some time to read the book on page 18, right? Grammar. Teacher would like you to review it first before we start doing some exercise and with this video. So now you have time 3 minutes to read the book on page 18 altogether. Okay, are you ready, everyone? Good job. So let me get started with our today's video. So as you know that every Thursday we always learn from writing bright too. Okay, if you have, sure, I believe that you guys all have books in your hand right now. Okay, so let me see all together. Review 1. Should and should not. How do we use should and should not for? We use should and should not for advice or suggestion. Okay, advice or suggestion with should. And how about must? Must, we use must and must not for necessity. Okay, necessity. And something is important for you. Something is important. Something is important. Number 3, have to. How do we use have to? Have to we use for for necessity also. The same, right? You see, necessity and necessity also. But it's slightly different with must and have to. You have already learned this, right? Yep. Number 4, must and should use for strong ability. Right? Sorry, strong possibility. Strong possibility with this. And what is the difference between must and have to, everyone? Who can tell me with this? Okay, must and have to. Must, okay, vs versus have to. Okay, versus have to. As you know that must from outside, right? And have to from inside. Okay, for example, the teacher say that you must do exercise on page 20. Okay, so you yourself you say that I have to do exercise on page 20. Okay, so who use must? Teacher use must. Must means to order, to tell you that you have to do something. Okay, and you must do something. And have to, you tell yourself to do something. Okay, you got with this? Thank you. Good. And how do we use must and should for strong possibility? Strong possibility, you know already with the possibility. Possibility means something may happen. So strong possibility can be 90% or 100% happen. Something happens. For example, I say my friends must be a good person. Okay, my friends must be a good person. So sure, because I know her already, right? I know her ability. I know something about her. So so that's why I can say she must be a good person. Okay, means she polite, she friendly, right? She's friendly, she's clever. That's why I can say that she must be a good person. Good. With strong possibility. Now you got with all the review, everyone. Let's we move to our exercises all together. And for the exercise 1, teacher not pick it in here, and just start from exercise 2 only, okay? So because of exercise 1 is very easy for you. Now, students, let's open your book to page 20 altogether. And before we start doing with this exercise, teacher would like you to read these exercises first. So now you have time 5 minutes to read the exercise on page 20 and on page 21, exercise 1, exercise 2 and exercise 3. So you have time 5 minutes. Now let's read it all together. Are you ready with your reading? Let me get started with doing exercise all together. So exercise 2, complete the sentences using have to or don't have to. Okay, if you use have to, you know, have to use in positive sentence, right? And don't have to use in negative sentence. As you know that have to be used for necessity, okay? So let me get started. In our book, we write, in our book number 1, right? Over here, number 1, but I write here A to make sure that you're not confused with this number of the exercise, the number of the structures of the exercise. Okay, so A, this skirt is too big for me. This skirt is too big for me. I, blah, 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 change it. So skirt is big, right? So what you have to do? Change, right? So don't have to or have to? Yes, you answer? Have to. Good job, everyone. Number 2, have to change. Okay, so have to change. We don't have much space here. Have to change. Okay, because I don't have space, okay, to write. Have to change it. B, you blah 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 take off your shoes. Take off your shoe. You can see everybody else is wearing them. So everybody wearing them, right? So example, in the classroom, every student is wearing the shoe, wearing them, right? So have you removed it? Okay, so yeah, sure. Take off. Take off over here means remove. Okay. Remove. Okay, so remove your shoes. So yeah, have you removed or not? Example, in the class, everybody wearing it, right? Everybody is wearing it. So have you? No, right? So you don't have to. You have to close to each other. You don't have to. You don't have to take off your shoes. Okay, don't have to take off your shoe. Okay, take off. Another meaning for the take off. Take off means fly. Okay. Take off the opposite from land. Land, take off. Okay, opposite from land. You know the plane land in the airport, right? Land in the airport and take off from the airport. You take off somewhere, take off to go somewhere, right? With this, yes, take off. It has two meanings. First is remove, right? And take off also means fly, right? Or yes, sure. Yes, now that's all with the exercise number 2. Teachers just pick up just 2 exercises. You have 2 exercises only to explain you to make sure that you can do that. To guide them, these 2 sentences, these 2 exercises just for guide for you to do the exercise on page. Yeah, exercise 2. You got it? And let's move to exercise 3. Sarah is going. Sarah is giving Brent some advice for a healthy life. For a healthy life, so you have healthy life. So everyone, how to be healthy, how to live with healthy. Okay, so sure you should eat the good food. You should sleep enough. You should drink a lot of water. You should relax also. Yes, don't stress. If you stress, will let you. If you stress too much, sometimes you will feel depression. Yeah, depression. Good. So Sarah is giving Brent some advice for the healthy life, and complete the sentences you think should or should not. Complete the sentence you think should or should not, everyone. Let's see here in the box. In the box we have eat in time 2. Eat time 2 means eat over here can use 2 times. You got it? And drink also you can use 2 times in each of this sentence, this exercise. Work, do, right? This one is different. Can be separate each other, not together. Okay, work, do, take, and skip. Now we have 6 blank over here. Let me do it all together, everyone. 1. Okay, you blah 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 exercise regularly. Exercise can be run, swim, anything else, everyone. Jump. Right, play sports like football. Also, we can say doing exercise also. Okay, so you blah 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 exercise regularly. You should or you shouldn't. To be healthy, you should do, right? Good. You should do exercise regularly. Okay, you should do. So do, done with this. Next, you blah 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 lot of water. Okay. One day at least you have to drink water 2 liters. Okay, 2 liters. So you should drink. Okay. Wait. You should drink. Yes. Should drink a lot of water. So drink, use already 1 time. Still have 1 more time we can use it. Okay. Drink a lot of water. Okay. Next. You blah 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 a rest between work projects. Blah blah blah. Yes. You should take, right? Take a rest. Take a rest means break, right? Have a short break for something. So you should take. You should take a rest. Okay, take a rest. Take a rest is a phrase. Okay, it means relax or break. Take a rest. Okay. Next, you blah 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 too much for fast food. Too much for fast food. So yes. Too much for fast food. So you shouldn't, or you should not. Should not eat, right? Should not eat for too much fast food, because Fast food contains something that make you fat, okay, make you fat. So fast food also, if you want fat, you have to eat fast food. But fast food, if you eat too much fast food, it doesn't make you healthy also. Next, you blah blah blah, too much coffee. Too much coffee. With coffee, we use eat or drink, everyone. With this, done, and no work. Yes? And yeah, drink. We use drink, not eat coffee. We use drink coffee. Okay, we use drink for coffee. So yeah, you shouldn't drink too much coffee. Okay. You should not drink. Okay. Because I don't have enough space to write, so I write about here. Okay. You know, coffee also contains some substance that make your body. You can be if you drink coffee too much, you will have problems also with your body. So coffee doesn't give you healthy. Next, the last one, you blah 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 until late at night. So you shouldn't, right? Shouldn't what? Shouldn't work. Okay. You should not work until midnight, until late at night. That's all for this. And eat and drink have done. You know, eat, we use 2 times, right? But you see here, eat have only 1 time in the exercise. So yeah, for sure. The first example already use it, right? The first example use it already, and about skip already used with the example with shouldn't. Okay, good job everyone. Now that's all for the exercise today, and I believe that you guys understand all the models too. And if you have any question, you can leave your question below this video in the group. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.